the world's largest collection of 16,000 woodworking plans. Each of the 16,000 projects are detailed enough to leave nothing to guesswork yet simple enough for beginners. Ted's Woodworking is a unique woodworking program. Ted McGrath invented this revolutionary woodworking program. This Ted's Woodworking Review is conducted by professionals. There are thousands of woodworking plans in Ted's Woodworking Plans. Many wonders, Ted's Woodworking Scam. No, Ted's Woodworking software is not scam, it is 100% legit. Buy Ted's Woodworking Plan today, but before buy Ted's Woodworking Plans please check our Ted's Woodworking Review. This Ted's Woodworking Plans Review is known as many terms, such as Ted's Woodworking Plan Reviewed. But this is considered as the best woodworking plans in the world, a collection of 16,000 woodworking plans. People also thinks this is Earth's largest database of woodworking projects. It contains complete instructions from start to finish, leaving absolutely no guesswork. Here's what I'm talking about. 1. Step-by-step instructions. You get detailed projects with step-by-step, A to Z instructions that makes building projects super fast, super easy and super fun. 2. Cutting and materials list. You get exact cutting and materials list for every project. 3. Detailed schematics with sharp and colorful schematics included in each plan. 4. Views from all angles. You get to see exactly how everything should look before you build them. 5. Suitable for beginners and professionals. We've got plans that cover all levels of skill and competence. Ted's McGrath Woodworking will explain you with diagrams, important parts without confusing yourself. Ted's Woodworking creator was spent almost 40 years to collect the required information from the world's comprehensive collections of Ted's Woodworking Plans to make you feel comfortable to build the things that you want forever. Ted's Woodworking just creates stunning, professional woodworking projects, with a step-by-step instruction given in a blueprint to easily participate in 16,000 completed Ted's Woodworking projects in the very faster way without making you feel difficult at all the time. Just read the simple Ted's Woodworking steps that you must follow before doing it practically and you can feel more confident at all the time. Ted's Woodworking. With the simple, hand-holding instructions, you can complete the wood project in the smallest part of the time you need it to complete by spending minutes. Ted's Woodworking step-by-step instructions, cutting and materials lists, detailed schematics, views from all angles, suitable for beginners and professionals. Ted's Woodworking software provides step-by-step detailed instructions from A to Z to help you build your projects in super fast, fun and easy way. You can get detailed Ted's Woodworking Plans with one step, from A to Z, which makes construction projects quick, easy, and great forever. Here you can get accurate cutting and material lists that are available for every project, so you can buy Ted's Woodworking Plans with the right amount, so you do not have to waste money on bad wood, bad materials, or bad quantities. Just trying to save time and reduce waste. Ted McGrath Woodworking saves your hard-earned money and spends some more time on building woodworking and saving time rapidly. Each Ted's Woodworking Plan contains a clear and colorful schematic, so no guessing is required. Ted's Woodworking depends on the level of detail. The most demanding projects will take you to the park. Of course, Ted's Woodworking has a plan that covers all levels and skills, so that you never compel you to become the master woodworker or no need to have the cheap machinery to use our project. Ted's Woodworking doesn't matter whether you're a full beginner, woodworkers with seasoned fans or seasonal supporters, you'll find thousands of projects that will fit your level to do something that suits for everyone.